guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're doing tea time with Shiru. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing my sister's makeup. Hi, I'm Shiru. She goes as Shiru Shara on her Instagram. It will be down below. So let's get started. Now we're going to start by primer, Jergens moisturizer. I'm going to take a little, rub it against my fingers. Bang, bang, bang. This feels so good. Your face is really brown. Hold your mouth. I took my rings off. Today I took my rings off. Now we're going to be using this MAC foundation. Remember the one in the previous video. If you didn't look at my previous video, please go check it out. It'll be in the description below. So we're going to take amount, and we're going to start applying it with my sister's beauty blender. Always dab, don't rub. Space on her face and mine. So as you can see, I got my eyebrows done. But I did it at home actually with whoever she did it. So, got the face covered. I'm going to be doing some on the neck. So they don't have too much. I don't even know if this is covering my face. Rubbing down the neck is fine. So as you can see, she's trying to kill me. Oh yeah, I always forget and bring someone else's actual leg. No, not jabbing. She just did this. She just says that to me. Someone's nose on camera. So we're just gonna finish the nose, and yeah, we're done. Next, we're going to be using her powder, which is this powder by CC UK. It's got this sponge that she doesn't use. Instead, she likes to use this big puffy. It's 11 Natural Glow. Let's see about that. So we take this big puffy pink color sponge, then we're gonna rub it. Okay, we have some fallout. Okay, we'll fix it. You just make me look bad. We'll pat it. I'll be going off camera to finish the rest of the powder, and I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're back. So I'm done with the base. As you can see, I'm still patting. Anyway, that's enough. We're only going to be showing her the entire face after I'm done. Next, we're going to be doing eyeshadow using my Jessica palette. If you don't know what this is, you can go to my last video and check it out. Okay, we'll be taking this pink color and this gold color. Pink and gold, and mix them. We'll just be putting pink all over the eyelid. Smaller eyelids is fine. After you finish putting pink, apply to the other side as well. I feel like eyeshadow. It's so good. Oh my, that's just rude. I'm just gonna continue. The eyeshadow. The pink doesn't want to come on. As you can see, I'm going all the way back to her side of the face because that's her commercial. I have stopped halfway. We'll brush off the excess later when we're done. And I'm just going to put this right. So I think that's enough. We're going to be using that gold color which I showed you earlier, this one, and we're going to put that in the same applicator. So yeah, gold is really nice. Let's shine. I think that's enough because there's a lot of fallout happening. We're just gonna use it. So we'll just increase the darkness a little bit by adding a color that we like. Okay, we'll use this color. I think this applicator is terrible. Yeah. We're gonna ignore what we just heard. We're just gonna apply a lot of eyeshadow. Turn. Okay, we're gonna leave the applicator. We're gonna go straight in. And by that time, we had already finished her eyeshadow and eyeliner both. So that's what we gave for her eyeliner. It's similar to mine. We did it using the Miss Rose 24 hour eyeliner. It's a liquid liner. So now we're going to be doing mascara using CN. Remember CN? So we're going to be just...
You used it before?
Yes. Next, we're going to be doing blush. We're using the same Just Gold blush powder in the color number 6. This is what it looks like. Okay. With its applicator.
It looks like he's almost having a fever type blush now.
I'm blushing. Okay,
oh my
so
god!
we finished blush. We're going to be doing her lips using these Kylie Jenner lip glosses that I got in the color number 12 and 4. We're going to start with the lighter color, number 4, and then we're going to apply the red on. So hopefully you can see this color is like a really nice light
Nudie pink.
It's nudie pink. Obviously, it's like the camera I'm speaking. So that's how it's going to look like. We're going to apply the darker color on top. That's this one. Number 12, okay? We're really sorry if you cannot see. We just don't realize. So we're just going to apply it to the top like that. And since the previous color has dried up a little, it's kind of difficult to get the shade. Crack your lips together now. As we look, we see it. We'll just be using the lighter color once more because the bottom of your lips have not been lined properly. Okay, we're just going to do the liner in the bottom of the one. Okay, there we have full lips. Okay, now it's going to be the big reveal. So she doesn't really know. I'm putting my rings back on, by the way. So she doesn't really know what she looks like. So let's do it.
You look hideous, absolutely hideous.
So here goes. She's going to be just using this mirror and reveal.
Actually, show that mirror.
It's really
Wow, it's so huge.
Okay. Well, we're obviously going to go off camera so she can pop on some earrings, put a necklace on, and we'll be right back.
Wow, that was so awkward.
This is what we have for this video. Hope you guys liked it and enjoyed me doing my sister's makeup. Comment down below what you think. Hit that like button if you enjoyed watching us. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
See you. Peace out. Subscribe to my channel.